And once the queen is there, I can just chuck that. Ooh.
Yep, slowly. Perfect. Go ahead and open the lid. Right. These are the bees you're going to be working with. What you want to do is, like so, break the frames apart all the way across and then across the top. Try not to smash any bees while doing it. If you smash a bee while doing it, they will remember. And they will remember quickly, meaning they'll sting the you-know-what out of you. So don't smash any bees in there. Okay, great. All right, so what you want to do is you want to gently, watch out for the bees there. You don't want to smash any bees. You want to pull frame out, pull it away from the ones that are behind it and up. You don't want to roll any bees because there may or may not be a queen in this hive. We're going to turn it sideways. That's pretty much all shiny, so I don't see any evidence of a queen there. No laying, no captive brood. That's all shiny. That is a resource frame. So we're going to go ahead and throw that one in right here. This is right where they had it in the hive. You want to keep them similar. There's our queen. There's a queen right there. Gently out and up. There you go. Out and up. And
oh, red dot.
Red dot. Carefully. There's our queen. Oh. Okay, I would go ahead and put it in there before they sting you and you drop the frame and lose the queen. So there's a guard going nuts. Okay.
And once the queen is there, I can just chuck that. Ooh.
Yep. Slowly. Everything's slow and steady. If you move fast, the bees will move fast, and you don't want the bees moving fast.
Oh.
You want the bees moving slow. Slow and steady wins the race. There you go.
How am I going to fit this last one in here?
Just like that, right down in that hole.
Dump these in?
Yeah, we do want to dump these in. I'll go ahead and do this one. We'll let you do one more hive. Go ahead and put the lid on these girls. That way they can find their way home tonight. And that one has a queen. That was your practice hive. Now you get to do the real thing all by yourself.
One practice
Slow and steady.
round.
You don't want to get stung. On the ground.
Maybe I could start with this. The big part is on top.
Excellent.
It's not even either way you do it. It's not.
Okay, you gonna smoke them or you gonna do a green hive 23 stings in under a minute?
No.
Okay, the air conditioner's running on this one. It's holy moly, over 90 degrees in here. I can see why. Look at all these bees. Holy moly. That is a lot. Ouch.
The green hive triggers the stingometer.
I don't want to smoke them.
Not a lot, just enough to let them know you're coming. There you go.
They're loud.
That's because they're freaked out.
Not good.
Slow, especially when you're moving your hand over the frames.
They're not very stuck together.
It'll look for a pink queen while you're doing that. I put a virgin queen in here. They may or may not have accepted her. Okay, they're drawing that out. That's nice. If you see drawn out comb, look for eggs. They look like little pieces of rice in the bottom of the cells. Kind of look at that one. like that, you're going to squash bees. No eggs. See a bee in the bottom with a pink mark on her? No, I'll focus on this first. I'll just.
I don't see any pink. I will say that I've never successfully found a queen, even a marked one. Anytime I have looked, I've yet to actually find it.
Okay.
I say no queen.
Well, it's like no queen. Is there any dead bee in the bottom with a pink dot on her?
Not dead. There's dead bees, but no.
Okay, I'm going to go steal a frame from another hive that has eggs on it. That way they can make a queen. So generally you can't take bees from one hive and put them in another, but if they're nurse bees watching over eggs, look down in the bottom. Do you see those little tic tacs in the bottom of the cells?
Oh, yeah.
Those are eggs. So they've not hatched yet. They'll hatch within 3 days, then we'll start giving them food. Put these towards the inside so they can stay warm. Now they have everything they need to make a queen. Okay, let's go ahead and seal that one up.